back it up over here, which it ain't much. All right. So, hey, park it real quick. Let me show you something. I'm gonna walk you through this one, and I'm gonna explain certain things that's gonna help you. All right, so you see you're about to back up to this spot right here, right? Yeah. I see you're about to set up. You don't want to sit up. If your trailer's still at an angle, what you want to do is you want to pull the trailer further. So that means you're going to go further a couple, maybe 2-3 spots. Until the trailer is following you, because right now the trailer's still like at an angle towards the back because you were coming around. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep pulling forward until the back of the trailer is almost straight, and then set it up. Now your setup's going to be a little different or similar. Let me take that back. It's going to be similar to what you normally would do. So you're going to go to the right, then back to the left, and when you do the setup, you're going to look at the back of the trailer, because you want the back of the trailer to be pointing to the spot right here. So the back of the trailer should be around where the 2 pieces of papers are right there. You follow me? So think about that at times. Well, I mean, I say think about it, but you didn't know, but I'm explaining because it's a good thing to be explained, because you were setting it up. So now the trailer's way out there. So whenever you go to set it up, the trailer's going to be way out there. Not saying that you don't want it out there, it's just, you know, because the tandems are forward, we want it a little further out, but the setup, you want to think about that when you have a trailer at an angle. So right now you're going to back up, get the truck straight, and then pull forward even more before you start setting up. So you see guys, before, because the trailer's still at an angle, he's gonna have to pull forward further out before the setup. I think there's plenty of spot. I put up a cone. I tell you, hold on, he's still over there. Actually, back up. Back up the same way you're pulling up. Yep. All right. Right here. So at this point, you're going to keep going forward. Yes, because you want to pull the trailer. Probably about the 3rd spot, you want to start setting up. You see, look at the trailer. That's him setting up right now. All right. You see the trailer where it's at? Remember what we did over there at that one with the drone? So think about that. Okay, do you remember, or do you want me to refresh it? Yes, if the tandems are further to the front, you want to set up outside the box. If the tandems are further back, you can bring it to the corner, yeah. Hey, get out and look, all right? pulled up a little bit. I had problems with the camera, so he pulled up a little bit. He's gonna pull up a little bit more. Okay. Because that first time he didn't anticipate, he cut it too hard. So anytime you guys pull up, hold up. Anytime you pull up, don't back up the same way you pull up. You pull up to your right. Why are you backing up to your right? No. Anytime you pull anytime you back up, you don't want to back up the same way you pull up. So when you pull up, you want to break the plane. So if you're going to pull up to the right, go forward to the left a little bit so you can break that plane. Because you started backing up the same way. Yes. All right. Hold on. All right, you good. See, he's cutting it hard already. Why are you looking at me? He cut it hard already. He cut it too hard. He cut it too hard already. Yo. Hey, hold up. We gotta be way outside the box to set up. What's going on, Andre? So go back to where you were. Go back to where you were. And I'm laughing because he knows I'm watching him and I'm talking to the camera, but he doesn't really see me talking to the camera. All right. So what needs to happen here? What needs to happen here, Andre?
Well, you said you want to set up outside the box.
Right? Because we got too close to that box that time.
Yeah, so therefore you need to turn the wheel to the problem.
So which way you going to do? Turn the wheel now to get it away from the box? You're going to turn left? All right. Stop right here. Let's get out and look real quick. And I'm gonna show you something. He's still not close. I mean, he's still too close. So, what do you see here, my man? Tell me, what do you see? Well, we pretend this is another trailer, okay?
Yeah. So,
all right, hold up. Let me close the tails before I get these people my case. All right, guys, we're closing the tails. I forgot. Forgot to close the tails.
All right, so I have a lot of room on this side. That means that I'm closer to whatever's on my right side that I can't see.
Say that again, I'm sorry.
I have more room on my left, which means that I'm closer to whatever object is on to my right.
True.
Well, as of right now.
True. But what did we say about the Tandems being further up?
Right, you want the trailer to be going into the box further out before it gets into it.
Right. And right now, how many feet do you think we got between right here? About 3, 4, yeah. About 4 feet, maybe? I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah.
So
3 or 4 feet.
we want to be double that.
Okay.
Double that.
So then I should have went wider then, from the very initial setup. Why you had me go so close?
No.
I should have turned wider.
What? The initial setup was good. Just when that first backup, you got it close. And then when you pulled up again, you got it further away, but not enough.
Okay, so can't I straighten the trailer out, take it out a little bit, and then turn and then back it up?
Yes, do what you got to do, but I just want to show you this.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go out some, space myself, and then I'll cut back in.
Yeah. So again, think about that. You want to be double that space. So it's hard to visualize it right now because there's not really a set number of feet. You just got to be away. So whenever you bring it in, you'll see what I'm talking about when you do it.
So let me get under the trailer, bring it out something.
Yep. Do what you got to do. But at this point, I got you where I want you because this is the way you're going to set up normally. But when you set up the first time, you would have caught it. You would have had it. Yeah. Go ahead. Hey, and you see me talking and laughing, it's because I know you're trying over there looking at me while you're back and you're looking at me like. So as we can see, guys, he is too close right there. If he's too close, it means the back end of the trailer is going to hit. So right here, he's going to have to turn the wheel to the left to kick it away, which I don't think he pulled up enough, but see, he turned it to the right. That's fine. We'll see what happens. All right. Let's get out and look again. We're gonna get out and look again. Hold up. Hold up. What? Come here, man. Talk to me, Andre. What's going on? Why are we getting so close?
I'm trying it too hard, I guess.
You know what happened? You didn't kick it. When you pulled up, you didn't kick it. I'll show you on the video though.
Okay.
You'll see it. You didn't kick it one time. You started cutting it to the right. I'm like, no. You gotta go to the left to kick it, and then because you want this, you want the tandems to get away from the front. Remember we said about 8 feet? If we're further away, that's good. But a minimum, at least 8 feet. A minimum of 8 feet. And shoot, we're back down to what? 3 feet.
Yeah, less than that.
Man, thinking. He's thinking. What do I do? What do I do? and I know he can do it. He can do it. So at this point, you're not going to continue to back. It looks like if the tandems were on the corner of the trailer, you can pivot it. But right here, it's going to hit. That's why you came to a stop, huh? Yeah. Exactly. Use all the space required or needed, available. Yes. So at this point, he's going to start turning to the left. Oh, you see? Get out, look. Andre. Right now you're what, about 6 feet? 5 feet? 6?
Still back up a couple of feet that I can pull forward that way and turn it in.
Well, let's say you can't pull forward. How about that? Let's say we can't pull forward.
Okay.
Because, and the reason I'm telling you this is because you want to be able to work with tight spots, tight spaces. So right now, you want to come back here and you want to visualize. What is this going to do? So if I keep turning the wheel to the right, the trailer's gonna keep coming in. So I'm not gonna hit anything over here. So all I gotta do is just watch it so it doesn't cut too hard to the right and be able to catch it in time, meaning turning to the left. As long as you clear the front over here, you know the back of the trailer is gonna be good on this side. And that's why I stopped you, because I want you to see this. So you can come back here and visualize this, because you don't want to take it for granted and say I'm good, and then yeah, you would pull up.
All right.
But let's work with this so you can see other stuff that you may not be able to see out there. So let's keep backing up.
Yeah, so I can kind of hard turn right. Just don't let it lock too long so it don't start going.
Yes, 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 yes. But I wanted to show you back here so you can see and visualize what the back is going to do. I'm going to stand over here. Remember, turn the wheel as you're moving. Pull forward again. Pull forward the same way you pulled up. Pull forward the same way you back up. No, no. Yeah, go to your left. Keep going. Now go to your right. Okay. Back it up. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it to the right. Keep backing it up. So I'm gonna tell him to keep coming, because I want him to see back here. Yeah. Slowly, slowly, yeah. Slowly, slowly. Yeah, yeah. Because this is what's happening back here. You see? We have it in the box. Once we get it in the box, we're good. We're good. backing up. Remember, back up as much as you can. You're good. Come on. Keep backing up. All right. So you see, guys, before the trailer gets straight, yes, now he's gonna pull up. He's gonna pull up. Let's say you only got a couple feet in front of you. All right. No, you good. You good. Yeah, yeah. Hard, 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 hard. Yes. All right. Yeah. He's only got a couple feet. He's got all this space, but we're pretending he's only got a couple feet. He's in the tight area. Because when you get to those tight areas, you're gonna know how to work it in there. Yes. This is one of those times where the wheel has to turn when stopped, because you have to catch it. Look at both sides, yeah. I'll spot you back there. Let's shift it. It looks good here. Right now, if you ask me, it's on the money, bro. That's good. Let's shift it. Let's shift it a little bit. You're going to use the other trailer next to you as a guide. Use it as a guide, Let's get out and look. See, this is where I was telling you to push the front over a little bit and then get under, but that's fine. It's just minor. No, you good. You see, I gave you all this space. Then you can go up there and say, okay, I'm gonna line it up for sure.
Yeah.
Remember, always get down and look.
I can do a quick to straighten up the trailer part to a hard a little bit and then get under real quick. Because it means an angle.
That's what I was trying to show you or tell you, but you're like, no, I'm straight.
Yeah, because from the window, like.
Because if you look at the back of it, if you look at the back of this trailer and the front of the trailer, then you know it's off. Yeah, you can do that. But how do you think about this? How do you feel about this one? About the setup and the backing and all? What's your take on it?
My take is try not to use. Well, try not to pull forward. I guess basically work with the backup space you have. I'm used to seeing that I can pull forward, and immediately I want to pull forward, and then that's not going to always be the case. But that's what's in my mind too. I hear you, but I see I got room.
Yes,
you know?
but do you see why
it's
I'm?
All right with the tandems, come out more.
But do you see why I'm having you not pull up and utilize all this space? Because sometimes you get to some of these places, they're tight, and if you're
the room you need.
if you're used to the tight spots, you can be like, man, I got this.
Yeah. And then the tandem should be away from the trailer that I want to cut around, not corner of it, because the tandem are too far up.
Yes.
So I need at least, I'll say, not even feet wide, just enough space I can cut it hard if I have to without worrying about hitting it.
Well, you really have to not worry about that side. You have to worry about this side.
Correct. But now you're taking my words and moving them. So what I mean that the trailer's over here, right?
Well, you just said you worried about not hitting that side.
Yeah, meaning that when I go to hard cut it, I'm not coming in an angle like this. I'm away from it. So when I go to turn it, obviously I want to make sure I have room on this side, but I don't want to have to worry about this side too.
Right. But when you say you want it away, you also have to think about out. So not just away this way from the corner, but you also want it out.
Yeah. So the back is going to be straighter when it comes in. That's why I personally, at the initial setup, I would have pulled out further. So if I would have cut it, I'd have been like way out here somewhere, cut like this, and then come around.
Right.
But you said pretend I don't have the room.
Exactly.
So I had to do it.
Yeah. All right.
My initially would have been like out there somewhere.
Yeah.
So his initial straight, it'd have been like right here.
And everybody knows I don't do straight line backings.
Bitch, I wanna party like Prince Carly.